Welcome to the world of animations. Start a successful career in the world of animation, VFX and graphics, with enormous opportunities in the fields of reuse, 3D animation, gaming audio, web designing and multimedia. In the finest training, this can be used to create realistic or fantastical scenes, characters, objects, and environments for movies, TV shows, games, and other media. This can involve the use of computer-generated imagery, key, compositing, motion capture, green screen, matte painting, and other methods. And the Dragons in Game of Thrones Institute at Bengal, with a sprawling campus equipped with best-in-world-class infrastructure with latest technology training facilities to provide students with top-notch industry exposure for better learning and understanding of these professional courses. Enroll yourself today to become an expert in the animation industry at Rena Animation. Come and out.